Hi there and welcome back to the Easy Sculpting channel. Today I am going to use Polymer Clay, Cernit, and we are going to make a small blue elephant, a lucky charm. The trunk should be up, you know that. Now you can make a keychain like this, or by cutting it into two, you can make a small brooch or something of it. 2 pieces. Let's go into the video. Hope you like it, and please subscribe. Choose the color you want. I chose blue. You can cut it into 3 pieces. First the body, the head, and the last one is for the legs and 2 ears. Just roll the body. When you make the head, roll it first into a ball and then squeeze with your fingers so you get this drop form. That way you get the trunk. Push the head gently on the body. Now let's make the legs and the ears. Cut 2 pieces for the ears and 4 legs. When you make the ears, squeeze and pinch with your fingers so you get this flat drop form. Try to get them the same size. Just attach them to the head. Next up are the feet. Put the 4 round feet under the elephant. Push them together. Now let's make the eyes. I use white, a little bit of blue and black. You can skip the blue if you want to. I try to make the whites the same size, the blue much smaller and the black really small. I gently put the blue on the white, then I attach the eyes, and finally put the black in the middle of the eye. And now it's time to shape the trunk. Bend it and put it right between the eyes so it points upwards. If you want to, you can also make tusks on your elephant. And we are done. Good luck with your elephant. Thanks for watching.